If Cash App isn't allowing you to request money, try these troubleshooting steps. Check app status. Confirm if there are any ongoing issues with Cash App by checking their official status page or social media channels. Technical issues may affect app functionality. Update Cash App. Ensure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. Update it from the App Store or Google Play Store if available. Restart the app. Close the Cash App completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, restarting the app resolves minor glitches. Check connectivity. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can hinder app functionality. Clear cache or data. On Android devices, clearing the app cache or data might help. Go to Settings, Apps, Cache App, Storage, Clear Cache or Clear Data. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Cash App's customer support. They can provide further assistance and troubleshoot specific issues related to your account or the app's functionality. Alternative devices. Try accessing Cash App from another device to check if the issue is device specific.